Sindhi vowel a in Roman a as used in kann means ear. Sindhi vowel a in Roman double a as used in taro means star. Sindhi vowel I in Roman I as used in pittal means brass. Sindhi vowel E in Roman double E as used in topi means cap. Sindhi vowel U in Roman U as used in muth means fist. Sindhi vowel U in Roman double O as used in suf means apple. Sindhi vowel A in Roman E as used in thelo means bag. Sindhi vowel A in Roman AI as used in bait means poem. Sindhi vowel O in Roman O as used in matho means head. Sindhi vowel O in Roman AU as used in naukar means servant. Sindhi vowel An in Roman A''N used in mandar means temple. Apostrophe N is used for nasal sound as in ma, ha, acha.